this fabulous. I've done some footage with the GoPro to see what it was like. Flew sweet as a nut, really pleased. However, performance wasn't very good. 3300 4S battery, and I had a 3 or 4 minute flight. So I am suspected it's overpitched. I am going to change the props. I'm going to drop it down to the 3-bladed 6-inch props. I get a much better duration out of it on my other quad. This quad is like cruising around for a couple of minutes, so I haven't got the ability to change my VTX channels. So something's kind of gone wrong there, so I need to have a look into that. It's a bit gutting because I put hot glue all over the connections. So, gotta be sorted. Okay, have fun. Catch you soon. Bye.